Hi everyone, and welcome back to our online story collection at the Perry Cook Library. Don't forget that we will be releasing weekly videos that include a story and an activity. You can pick up your activity bags on Monday of every week, and the videos will be uploaded to our YouTube channel on the same day. If you complete your activity bag, you can return it to the library and receive a prize bag. This is the third video of several to come. Today we will be reading If You Take a Mouse to School by Laura Numeroff. Our activity this week is a science activity based on things that we're going to hear about in our story. Let's go ahead and get started. If you take a mouse to school. If you take a mouse to school, he'll ask you for your lunchbox. When you give him your lunchbox, he's going to want a sandwich and a snack for later. Then he'll need a notebook and some pencils. He'll probably want to share your backpack too. When you get to school, he'll put his things in your locker and take a look around. He might do a little math and spell a word or two. He'll even try a science experiment. Then he'll need to wash up. You'll have to take him to the bathroom. Once he's nice and clean, he'll be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he'll see some building blocks. He'll build a little mouse house and make some furniture out of clay. Then he'll need some books for his bookshelf. He'll start by writing one of his own, so he's going to need a lot of paper. He'll probably use up all your pencils. When he's finished, he'll want to read his book to you. Then he'll want to take it home, so he'll put it in your lunchbox and tuck it in a safe place. When the bell rings, he'll run out to wait for the bus. While he's waiting, he'll play a quick game of soccer. Then he'll ask you to shoot a few baskets. And do a little skateboarding. When he stops to catch his breath, he'll want to eat his snack. So he'll ask you for your lunchbox. And chances are, if he asks you for your lunchbox, you'll have to take him back to school. Alright, so our activity this week is a science activity. We're going to use materials that can be found in your activity bag to make a science experiment just like the mouse did in the book. We're going to need baking soda, vinegar, and a cup or bottle of any kind. You should have enough materials in your bag to try this experiment twice. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to put half of our baking soda into a cup. So I've just got a clear cup here. And before we do this activity, you're going to want to make sure that you are somewhere where it's not a big deal if it makes a mess. I have a towel down today, so when I make a mess, it's not going to be a hard thing to clean up. You could do it outside, you could do it in your sink, you could do it in a bathtub. You can do it anywhere that it's going to be easy to clean up. Okay, so I've got half of my baking soda in my cup, and I've got a separate cup of vinegar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the vinegar into my cup, and the two things should create a chemical reaction when they touch each other, causing our cup to erupt like a volcano. So we're going to try. So I've got my cup of baking powder here. I've got my cup of vinegar, and hopefully it should explode everywhere. So I'm going to dump my vinegar into my cup. And I got a nice volcano. I'm glad I had my towel down, so it'll be easy to clean up. Okay, thanks for watching our video this week. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope to see you next week. Stay safe and keep reading.